Deputies were working a traffic crash when they suddenly encountered a woman who felt she was above the law.
Oh boy, that didn't work out too well. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? No! I don't care! The answer's no!
Florida, hi to David, Laura.
Okay. Can you give me your driver's license? Let me. Yes, it is. What? Do you not see this blue truck? Do you not see that blue truck? Put your car in park and give me your driver's license. Put your car in park and give me your driver's license.
Waiting at the freaking bus stop.
I don't care. We got blue lights and people's safety for a reason.
I live right
Put your
there.
car in park.
Oh my God.
Okay. Stop her.
Yo, stop.
Britt, go. Put her in jail. I'll be there.
You had a lot of background.
Moonsail Drive, Barrow Coast Trail. Get in the car. Sit down.
My daughter
Sit
was right
down.
here waiting for me.
Sit down.
Oh my God.
Give me your driver's license, registration,
I'm
and
not
proof of
gonna
insurance.
go to jail because they blocked it off, and I was trying to get to Giselle, and I got here. She's not freaking
It's
here.
related to that.
Look, my daughter's
Okay,
right
sit
there.
down.
My daughter's right there.
I don't care.
I was trying
Sit
to get
down.
to my daughter. Dude, it's blocked off.
Sit down and give me your driver's license. Now.
I don't have it with me. It's at the house.
Don't get involved. Don't get involved.
That's my...
I get it, but don't get involved.
Oh, you don't need to yell at me. I'm not being...
Don't get involved.
Get off the
I
phone.
was trying to... This is my husband.
I don't care.
I was trying
You
to
are
get to my
stopped for a
daughter.
lawful reason.
How was it? It wasn't even blocked off. People were coming out of the
North
street.
32. Can you advise
You
me
guys
that
were
tag
blocking
goes
all
back
the way to 75.
Yeah,
I'm
why
trying
do you
to get
think
to
we're
my
doing that?
daughter. It was nothing blocking.
It was a traffic
this way.
crash. Okay?
It was
You
nothing
disobeyed.
blocking this
Okay,
way.
I'm not arguing with you.
Eduardo Garcia.
You don't have a driver's license?
I have a driver's license. It's at home. That's what
What's
I'm
your
trying
name?
to say.
What's your name?
I'm not saying that.
Okay. It comes back to a male,
ID,
Eduardo
like,
something.
if you want my
She's
driver's
refusing.
license,
Okay.
Do you want it or do you
Jail.
need to take it?
So you can take it.
All right. Come out.
Your kids are in that car, are they?
Turn around. This is not the way you should have handled this.
I don't need to be arrested, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my driver's license. I was trying to get my daughter. My daughter's right
Come on.
there. My daughter's right there.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
Yes.
What do you
I
have?
don't know. What is my keys?
All right.
Okay. So, per Florida statute, when we stop you, you have to give us certain documents, and she's refusing. So, unfortunately for her, that's violation, and that's a jailable offense. I don't know. So she probably should have listened to us a mile up the street, and this wouldn't be happening. But she couldn't wait the 5 seconds it was going to take us to open up the road to come down here, and she came that far from hitting him. So now it's aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer, which is a felony. So you can go. Do you know who owns this car? Okay, can you call them and have them come pick it up? Yeah, it's her sister.
Is this Jessica?
No, we're not giving her a ticket.
No. Am I able to take the car?
If she allows you to take the car, yeah. How are you going to get home?
I live down the street.
Are you going to walk back? Okay. If she allows you to take the car, then yeah, we'll let you take the car.
Do we have a neighbor yet? Because she's refusing.
Is her name Jessica? Yes.
Are you in charge with
I only saw bits and pieces of it, so what? Obviously, we've got driving around the barricade.
Driving around the barricade, and then she drove off on the street. But I had to step back before so she
Okay.
wouldn't run me over.
Okay. Yeah,
So-
I'll charge her with it.
Yeah. And then
I
what?
mean-
Refusing to give information?
Oh, she wouldn't stop until I got up here. I was doing almost 100 just to catch up to her. Would have taken a lot less time had you just stopped. Then you wouldn't be in this situation. That doesn't give you the right to almost run over a police officer or disobey.
I wasn't even close to her.
Okay.
I was not close to her at all. So, again, why is she being arrested?
Let me walk you through this.
Please.
Okay?
Do.
There's a massive traffic crash up there, right? We've had to direct traffic for over an hour and a half. We shut the road down legally to get the tow trucks in so we could get the cars off the road in order to open the flow of traffic back up. You understand that part?
Yes.
Okay. She decided she didn't want to wait. So we pulled off the road and we opened the entire lane back up. She went in the opposite lane of traffic, and when I stopped her, she decided she didn't want to wait, right? And I don't know what I'm talking about. So she drives off, almost runs over my foot, doesn't stop for him, and then speeds all the way up Carter Road. And then when he stops her here, she refuses to get her information. She refuses to say anything other than the fact I had to go get my daughter. And when we legally stop you for a traffic violation and you refuse to give your stuff, it's a violation of Florida state statute, and she went to jail.
So that's the only charge right now, violation of...
No, she's probably going to get a, we're going to watch the video, and if one of us had to step back, she's probably going to get an aggravated assault on law enforcement officer, which is a felony. Had she just waited 5 more seconds, I was getting in my vehicle, and I was pulling off the side of the road. But because she couldn't wait, and she went in the opposite lane of traffic, which could have caused an accident because the people that were coming off of Carter turning right onto Mox and Wallow have the right-of-way. She's in the opposite lane of traffic. And had she called it a traffic crash, a head-on traffic crash, we'd have been towing her off in an ambulance. So we don't do things just to piss people off, right? We do things for safety of everybody involved, to include us, to include the 2 people that were already involved in the traffic crash. And we don't have time for this, right? Had she just waited and stopped there, and I'm pretty easygoing, right? So when I ask you to stop, that's what I'm asking you to do. And don't give me this line of excuse. Everybody on that road has somewhere to be. I mean, it's been a busy road for a lot of years. When I ask you to stop and get out of the opposite lane of traffic, we have a problem. And then when we come up here, legally we're allowed to ask you for your documents, your driver's license, all that. She's refusing. So, unfortunately for her, better choices next time. But again, we had a lawful reason to stop that, and because she didn't think that she needed to wait, or that some of the road was opened up to get the traffic, the tow trucks in, then yeah. And so that's the whole story.
The suspect was charged with resisting and cited for disobeying a police officer.
Play stupid games, get stupid prizes. That's what you get for disobeying a police officer and thinking you are above the law. There was clearly a car crash over there, and there was a line of cars waiting to go wherever they needed to go. But this one person, Karen, needed to make sure everyone knows that her business is way more important than some crash on the road. What did you guys think about this story? Leave me your comments below, and thank you so much for watching.